What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we got some free plays for you today. First off, recap of yesterday and really this whole week. Sorry if you guys have been telling me the last couple days. These last 3 days have been the worst out of my whole time sports betting. Like the last 3 days have been brutal for us. But these weekend games are where we're going to make it all back. So Friday's games, we got some good ones. We got Oregon, Purdue, BYU, and Oklahoma State. Alan Bowman did get benched, so we'll see how that one goes. But BYU's been playing great. And then we got a lot of good games tomorrow. So this is where we're going to make all that money back. We did go down, I believe it was 10 units. Yeah, 10 units yesterday. So just a massive day. But the nice part about all this is a couple wins and we're going to win all that back. So one win is going to wipe out 7 losses. So we only need to win like 2 or 3 and we're massively in the green. So that's the nice part about this, but we got some free plays for you today. And a lot of these are completely free. No, what's the right word for it? They're flex plays. So if they're, or protected plays. So if we lose, we're going to get our money back. So especially after these last couple days, we'll take these. The first one's going to be over on Sleeper. If you guys are new to Sleeper, go over there and use the code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with $100, and they're going to hook you up with this $20 protected play. So your first play is going to be protected up to $20. So we're going with Chase Roberts over 50.5 receiving yards. Gordon over 65.5 rushing yards. Ollie Gordon. We're going Claire over 41.5 receiving yards. He's a big tight end, sophomore tight end there. And then we're going S-Red over 72.5 rushing yards. So we are flexing that one. You can just go full on power play there, but we're going to flex this one. We're just looking to make some money here. $10 or $20 into $100 there for a 5x payout. Next one is it's Flex Friday over on Prizepicks. If you guys need the links to that or anything down in the description below, it's all going to be there. We're taking Cam Ward over 326.5 passing yards. Garrett Nussmeier over 305 passing yards. Noah Fafita over 292 passing yards. Carson Beck over 270 passing yards. Rocco Beck over 236 passing yards. And then Max Clare over 48.5 receiving yards. So that is the second free play. That one's over on Prizepicks. Love all those games. Third one is over on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, use the code 907fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with $100. You're going to have $200 to go and play with, and you can put as much money on this one as you want. I'm putting $5 on this one. We're going Cam Ward over 322 passing yards. Matching that up with, they boosted Sidney Crosby's points line to 0.5 and for a 1.5x payout. Before it was, I believe, like 1.3. So they boosted that up. Love that one. And that's going to turn 5 into $12.95 for us. So if you guys are wanting any more of the free plays, those are going to be up here on the Winible, Winible.com/907fantasy sports. That's where you're going to be able to get all those. So go over there and subscribe to the free plan. Completely free to do, and you'll get all of the free plays every single day. They'll be texted directly to your phone, and you can get them that way. If you guys are wanting all of VIP's plays, we're going to have probably close to 50, 60 plays this weekend. And that's all going to be over here on the Winnable as well. If you use the code CHASE, it's going to get you 75% off. Normally $100, 75% off, it's going to get you $25. So you'll have that one to go play with. But if you're going to be telling me on any of these, good luck. Let's go have another good day and go and cash these. So bounce back spot today for getting us rolling into the weekend. So we're matching up a lot of today's plays with Saturday's plays. So good luck with all your plays. All those links are going to be down in the description below. Let's go cash. We'll see you. Peace out.